everyone, welcome to Mindkin channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about our website timesheet application which is available in Odoo App Store and how this application works in Odoo. So the website timesheet module simplifies timesheet management, allowing users to create, edit and delete timesheets smoothly. So let's just start it. Currently, we are logged in as a portal user, and here you can see one menu as a timesheet. So from here, you can create timesheet through this button, and here you can see some sort of filters like sort by newest. You can select as a newest, employee, project, task, and here you can see filters as well, group by filter, and here we have a search filter as well. First, we'll create a timesheet from here. In the timesheet, you need to define your project, task, date, duration, and description. But here you cannot see any project or any task because this user do not have any access rights. So we'll log in as an admin user first. Now we'll go into the project. Here you can see 3 projects are created. We'll go into this office design. Now we are only giving task right, project task right. These are tasks. Okay, so we are only giving task rights. You just need to add into the followers to that specific user. Add in followers. Now we'll do the same for room 2 decoration. Add followers. Now let's see in login as a portal user. Because we had given only task rights, here you can see task menu. Now we'll go into the timesheet. Now we'll create one new timesheet. Here you cannot see any projects because this user do not have any project rights, but they have task rights. You can define your task, specific date, time, and short description. Okay, and click on save. After clicking on save, you can see one new timesheet is already created. Now, if you want to edit something, you just need to click on edit button and you can select your task or you can change your task from here. If you won't select anything, it will remain the same. We'll choose room 2 decoration. If you want to edit your description and as well as hours, then you can add the hour and click on save. It will save. And suppose if you want to delete any timesheet, you just need to click on delete. Here you can see one pop-up will appear, which is, do you really want to remove this timesheet? If you want to delete it, click on yes, and if you do not want to delete, click on no. We'll click on yes. See, and the timesheet is deleted. Now we'll log in again as an admin user, and now we will give the project rights. Now we'll give project rights. You need to click on 3 dots, settings. In the setting menu, here you can see visibility. Make sure that you have enabled this third option, which is invited portal user and all internal users public. We'll add as a follower. Now we'll again log in as a portal user. Now here you can see project menu. Now we'll go into the timesheet. We'll create a new timesheet. If you select project, all tasks are in that project will automatically come, and you can define your task, the specific date and specific time for that, and you can define your description and click on save. So this is how this application work in Odoo. So that's all for the video, and if you like the video, do comment, like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.